ice cream truck. Hi, welcome to Mew Mew's ice cream truck. I can make all kinds of yummy icy treats. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome. Hi, Mew Mew. I'd like to have a large portion of this. Rainbow popsicle. These ingredients are needed for making the rainbow popsicle. Sugar, milk, flour, blender, There are so many flavors. Which one should we choose? Rainbow candy flavor, kiwi fruit flavor, strawberry flavor, pineapple flavor, blueberry flavor, chocolate flavor. Let's pour the mixture into the mold. Pineapple, blueberry, strawberry, kiwi fruit, Finally, let's decorate. Wow! The delicious rainbow popsicle is ready! The guests will love it! Treats you have made are so delicious! You can get truck decorations by making ice tree. Drag the props to make the truck more beautiful. Welcome! Colorful fruity mix. First, pour the ingredients in the yogurt machine. Yogurt starter. Milk, slide to set correct number on the timer. The yogurt is ready. Let's scoop it out. There are so many flavors. Which one should we choose? Rainbow candy flavor, rainbow candy flavor, pineapple flavor, yogurt. And then sprinkle some fruits on it. Pineapple. Banana. Strawberry. Blueberry. Kiwi fruit. Cherry. Kiwi fruit. Cherry. Pineapple. Blueberry. Kiwi fruit. Strawberry. Blueberry. Banana. Pineapple. We can also add some sweet condensed milk on the fruity mix. Pour the condensed milk into a pastry bag. Let's squeeze out the condensed milk. Finally, let's decorate. The colorful fruity mix is ready. It looks yummy. Welcome. What should I order? Smoothie with tapioca pearls. Choose a cup of tasty juice first. Mango flavor. Turn the handle to grind the ice into smoothie. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. Which kind of tapioca pearls do you like? Put cooked pearls in ice water to make them even more chewy. Finally, let's decorate. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready! That's great! Let's serve it to our customer! Welcome! Phew! I am soaked with sweat. Let me have some ice food to beat the heat. Ice cream in chocolate bowl. First, choose the type of chocolate you like. Chocolate turns into the sticky chocolate syrup when it's heated. The round balloon is perfect for serving as a mold of the chocolate bowl. Next, let's prepare some tasty nuts. Nuts can make the chocolate tastier. The chocolate bowl is ready for holding ice cream scoops. Next, let's roast some more marshmallows. Wow, the roasted marshmallows smell good. Finally, let's add some delicious toppings. Wow! The ice cream and chocolate bowl is ready! Our customer must be very satisfied. Welcome! Hello, I'd like to try this one. Smoothie with tapioca pearls. Choose a cup of tasty juice first. Grape flavor. Turn the handle to grind the ice into smoothie. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. Which kind of tapioca pearls do you like? Put cooked pearls in ice water to make them even more chewy. Finally, let's decorate. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready! That's great! Let's serve it to our customer! It's yummy! Thank you! Do not eat too much icy treats at a time, or you might get a stomachache. Ice cream truck!